Hi guys! Welcome back to MTV. This is Marie at my 50s. Today, let's do some unboxing. My company is generous enough to give every female employees some gifts in celebration for Emirati Women's Day this coming Saturday, August 28. An SMR for you guys. Candle from Molten Brown, London. It must be expensive. See guys? It's so nice. Second unboxing. This is quite a surprise given to us from one of our graduates. We'll see. Seems like it's something very special. Let's see this later. Alligator. It's nice. Green tea. I don't know this one. I think it's for the face. Whatever. It's a lip cream. See? Then, it's a green tea facial mask. Wow. And, the other one is for moisturizing gel. Magwapa na ko ani Besh. See? With a cucumber flavor. And this one seems it's whoa. Dun, 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 dun. Yay! As if I win the lotto today. O diva, may paayuda si Mayora.